Today we're gonna play Buy Food to Feed Your Cat. Let's get into it. By the way, shout out to the creator of the game. I love it! Alright, let's play. Okay. We are in the game now.
When Amber found this baby deer crying for help, she couldn't believe her eyes.
Alright, hello Maxwell. I played this game before. I haven't made a video about it yet, but I have some badges. No, shut up, cat. No, I'm just kidding.
But this baby deer seemed lost.
Anyways, no, I want to get the electricity bell ending. You play this game by turning on every single light in your house.
What if the mama deer was looking for him? Suddenly, the baby deer ran off. Amber thought maybe he'd found his
Oh
mama.
my god. Alright, Maxwell,
That night,
calm
she
down.
went to check on the baby and saw he still needed help. We couldn't handle it.
I'll go back to that.
Amber knew she had to be this baby deer's rescuer.
Nothing in there.
Mom can help on what to do. She knew the deer had to eat, but she didn't have any bottles. So she filled a glove with milk,
Okay.
hoping he would like it. And he did.
We are gonna be playing random Roblox game. Anyways,
Amber decided to name him
what am I
Scout.
looking for? Oh yeah, I'm looking for that.
It was a good sign that
What
Scout
else?
wanted to eat. He was such a brave little deer.
I
and
think
wasn't going
I'm
to
buying beautiful. Yeah. Duran warranty. Sorry, I didn't say that right.
But she knew she couldn't take care of Scout forever. Wild baby needs professional help.
Boo-ba-doo-bee. Where my dad is?
When they got to the shelter, rescuers couldn't believe how little Scout was.
This is most of my...
It turns out he was only 2 days old. If he hadn't asked Amber for help, he'd have been in serious trouble. Scout was trouble-free.
Do you want Maxwell?
Love from his rescuers, he grew up.
Anyway, what to do? Probably get the show out ending.
And one day, when he's old enough, he'll go back to the forest again
This is gonna be boring.
as a strong, brave, and happy deer.
So anyways,
All it took
I'm sorry we haven't posted like in a while. I don't know, we've been busy. But we are going on vacation very soon, which is awesome. So we will not be posting. I might hear videos at the beach.
something was wrong with
We'll
Munchkin
see.
the cat.
But we're talking about,
He was feeling sick and having trouble breathing.
yeah.
He didn't have the energy to play with toys
Alright, that's
or
it.
wrestle with his brother.
Bye.